Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to winterize geraniums. This video will enlighten you on how to ensure that your beautiful geraniums can survive during the harsh winter. So stick around for that. First up, clean and prune the plants. Start by cleaning the plants and removing any dead or diseased foliage. Trim back the geraniums to about 1/3 of their original size. Pruning helps reduce the plant's energy needs and encourages healthy growth. When they resume active growth in the spring, transplant your geraniums. Geraniums can be transplanted into containers for overwintering. Choose containers that are slightly larger than the root ball, and use well-drained potting soil. Gently lift the plants from the ground, being careful not to damage the roots, and then replant them into the containers. Find a suitable location for your overwintering geraniums, ideally in a cool area with temperatures around 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 13 degrees Celsius, and moderate humidity. Basements, garages, or unheated rooms are often suitable. Ensure that the area receives adequate light, either through natural sunlight or by using grow lights. Regulate the watering. During winter, geraniums enter a dormant phase and require less water. Therefore, water your geraniums sparingly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between each watering session. Remember that overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's crucial to strike the right balance. Aim to keep the soil lightly moist, not wet. Monitor the geraniums. Regularly check on your overwintering geraniums to ensure that they're healthy. Inspect for any signs of pests or diseases, and promptly address any issues that arise. If necessary, treat pests or diseases with appropriate organic or chemical remedies. Prepare the geraniums for spring revival. As the days start to lengthen and temperatures rise, it's time to prepare your geraniums for their return to outdoor life. Gradually acclimate the plants to outdoor conditions by placing them in a sheltered spot for a few hours each day. Increase the exposure gradually over a week or two, until they can be replanted in the original garden beds or containers. So there you have it. You can successfully winterize your geraniums and ensure their survival through the cold winter months with these easy steps we've discussed. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to drop them below and leave a like on this video. Till next time.